Today we are going to have a look at how to prepare the preparation of lemon rice in a unique way. For that, I have taken 1.5 years aged basmati rice, 1 cup, and I have as you know, we need to soak it in basmati rice for around 20 minutes to half an hour. I have soaked it for 20 minutes, and I have pressured it in a pressure cooker. The amount of water you need to add is for 1 cup rice, 2 cups of water, as you know very well. And I have kept it separately, and I have prepared yellow pea sundal. The usual method of preparing sundal, I have done it and kept it separately. Lemon rice, the usual way what we do, we need to prepare first. For that, you need to cool the rice completely after taking it out of the pressure cooker. In any departmental store, if you go and ask for 1.5 years aged basmati rice, they will give it in loose. It is very cheap and convenient for preparing these kinds of variety rice and all, for brinji rice, for biryani, for pulao and all. And it's really very nice also. It's non-sticky, it's long grain. The usual method what we do for lemon rice preparation is, you need to take, I have taken around 3 tablespoons of oil in a kadai, and I have heated it up. I have taken refined oil. After the oil is getting heated up, you need to put 1 tablespoon of mustard seed, let it splutter. After that, I am adding 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Let it get fried up in a proper way. Then I am adding 6 finely chopped green chilies to give spiciness for that lemon rice. And after that, I am adding 2 nice pinches of turmeric powder. Since it is a lemon rice, you need to get that yellow color, no, for that. And I am adding the required amount of salt also. Now that basmati rice, it has got cooled down in a nice manner, so I'm adding in with that the things what we have fried right now inside a kadai. I have added in, and with that I'm adding that yellow piece sundal also. For the preparation of yellow piece sundal, you need to soak it overnight, and I have boiled it with the rice in the same pressure cooker. And as usual, we need to for garnishing, we will do the same method only. Like for the normal sundal, what we do, I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil gets heated up. Then you need to add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds for sundal preparation, I am telling. Let it splutter. Then I am adding the sundal. Inside that, the required amount of salt, required amount of turmeric powder, required amount of either green chili or red chili, or you can add red chili powder or Kashmiri red chili powder, anything according to your wish, the required amount, and you need to fry it properly. Now your sundal is ready. That sundal, what we have prepared, also we have added inside this lemon rice, and at last you need to switch off the flame. Then only you need to add that lemon juice mixture in this lemon rice. You need to switch off the flame, otherwise it will get a bitter taste. I have taken a big lemon, and I have taken the juice of that lemon, and I am pouring in. I will add only after the switching of the flame. For variety rice, it should be non-sticky. See how beautiful it is getting ready. It's very nice when you see. It's really nice. If you want, you can add curry leaves, coriander leaves, and in a tablespoon of ghee, you can fry cashew nuts, whatever you want. Cashew nuts, ground nuts. If you want, you can fry all these things and add. Now I am adding that lemon juice after switching off the flame, and you need to give a nice stir with the spatula so that all the ingredients will get mixed thoroughly in a fine manner. After mixing it thoroughly, you can transfer it into a serving bowl. Mix it properly. Then you need to, so that that lemon juice will get mixed properly with all the ingredients in the rice properly. Now you can transfer it to a serving bowl. Now in all departmental stores you will get for preparing biryani rice or pulao. You will get this one for seasoning. If you ask for seasoning for biryani or for pulao, you will get all these stuffs in a single pack. So to give a different touch and to do it in a unique style, apart from the normal method what we do, I have found out this method. I have taken those seasoning materials. In that, they have given bay leaf, clove, poppy seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon, cardamom, everything they have given in a single pack. You will get it as such in all departmental stores. For seasoning of this, I have taken 3 tablespoons of ghee. If you want, you can take ghee and oil in a same amount and you can mix and you can take it for seasoning. Since I have done lemon rice with oil, I have taken pure ghee for this seasoning. I have taken 3 tablespoons of ghee. As soon as the ghee gets heated up, I am going to add in the mustard seeds. Sorry, I have already added the mustard seeds. So I'm just going to add all the biryani seasoning what I have got in this pack. You need to keep it in a very low flame like this. You need to simmer it. See, now the ghee has got heated up and I'm adding one by one the bay leaf, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, poppy seeds, cloves, etc. You need to add all the materials and you need to give a very nice stir, and after getting all these stuffs getting nicely fried up, you can switch off the flame and you can add all these materials into the serving bowl where we have kept the lemon rice. Give a very nice stir so that all the 6 materials get fried up in a proper manner in the ghee. Nice superb aroma is coming right now. Now you can transfer this contents into a serving bowl where we have kept the preparation of lemon rice. You can pour this ghee preparation into it. Now give a very thorough mix. Now it is giving a very rich look. The taste will also be very, nice and it's delicious. Instead of doing lemon rice, variety rice in the usual regular method, you can just try it out once in a while in this different touch. And for beginners, I am telling, always you need to keep a handful or two handfuls of white rice separately, so that if while doing lemon rice or any variety rice, it's a small tip, if the sour taste or that salt taste is too much, you can add in that white rice with this lemon rice, so that it will come to a normal taste. These are small adjustments for the beginners. It's a very small tip, you can note it. For the beginners, I am telling, try like this and enjoy. If you like this recipe, just like, share, comment and subscribe to Varshini Vlog and press the bell icon, and you can press the all option in that. Thanks for watching. Bye.